Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Roblox voice chat here if it's not showing up. Well, there are a few settings that you may want to check. So first things first, go and open up Roblox here, go and click on more at the bottom right of your screen, and you want to go ahead and click on the option here for settings. Now, under settings, so first thing that you want to make sure is you need to verify your account. So you want to go to account info and you want to go ahead and fill out a few details about yourself. So first is you want to verify your email address. So typically you could go and just press the verify button next to your email here, and that would basically send a code on your email address, and you just need to enter that code to verify your email address or click a link. Now, also, you may need to verify your age, so it's going to be under the age group section here. So you may need to provide an ID in order for you to verify your age. So in this case, you need to be at least 13 plus to basically get access to voice chat or to voice chat here. So if you don't have an ID yet, you may need to wait until you get an ID and submit that ID. So again, 13 plus and above is the only age range or the people that has access to voice chat. Now, if you're not old enough, well, Roblox will limit your access. But if you're old enough here and submitted your ID, that should give you access to voice chat. Now, another thing that you may want to do is you want to also go to the privacy and content restriction restriction section, and you want to also access the option here for, let's go and just choose communication, and it should say party and party chat. So you want to go and just choose that one. Now, for party voice chat here, you want to make sure that you choose the all friends option here. So use voice chat with your friends when you're in the same party so that your friends can actually hear you. So by default, it should be turned on, but if not, go and just make sure all friends is selected. Now, also, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to guarantee that whatever experience that you want to play right now supports voice chat. Now, not all experience support voice chat. So just to give you some idea, I'm going to open up one of the experiences here, and typically if an experience actually supports voice chat, it should say voice chat supported. So in here, so as you can see, camera, voice chat, as you can see, voice chat is supported. So not all experiences support voice chat. So if it says not supported, you won't be able to use voice chat on that experience. So again, you should play an experience here that has voice chat. Now, also, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to contact support if you can't or you still can't use voice chat. So to do that, what you need to do is you want to go and click on more at the bottom right here. You want to go to help and safety. You want to go and click on help. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on the option here that says, I need help with my account. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose one that is appropriate for us. So in my case, maybe I want to go ahead and just type in voice. And let's go and choose one in here. You can go and choose how do I turn on voice chat here so that you get to access the actual article. As you can see, like what I said, you need to be 13 plus in order for you to use the experience. But what we're looking for specifically here is you need to access the need more help or contact support here section. Now, in here, it's going to give you a form which should allow you to fill out a bunch of details about yourself, like your device type, your email address, your username, your first name, and confirmation of your email address. So email address is a requirement. So this is the email address of your account. And also identify a few things. So that's the issue details and the category here. So from here, I would say choose bug report. And from here, just describe your issue. So maybe say or inform them that you are unable to use voice chat, although your account has been verified and your age has been verified, and an experience supports voice chat and it's still not working for you. So in this case, once you've submitted that, they will reach out to you regarding any fix that you could try doing here, and hopefully they would patch a few, release some patch to fix any issues that you may be encountering. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.